In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade futures directly on TradingView. By the end, you'll be connected to a broker or paper trading, have the correct futures contract loaded, and place a trade with stop loss and take profit set from the chart. First, open the trading panel. At the bottom of the chart, click the Trading Panel tab. You'll see a list of supported connections appear across the bottom area. Next, connect your broker. Select a supported broker such as Tradeovate, TradeStation, Forex.com, or Interactive Brokers. Click it, then follow the prompts to enter your credentials. If you prefer to practice without real money, choose paper trading instead. This simulates trades using fake money and lets you follow the same order process safely. Once you sign in or select paper trading, you should see the connection status change to confirmed in the trading panel. Now search for futures contracts. Go to the top left symbol search box on the chart. Type the symbol you want, for example, MES1 for the Micro E Mini S and P500. Make sure you select the correct contract. The 1 atishi suffix typically indicates the continuous, most active contract, which is useful for trading and charting consistency. Click the contract to load it on the chart. Take a second to confirm the symbol in the upper left of the chart matches what you intended. From here, open the order ticket. At the bottom, click the Trade button. If you prefer using the chart, you can also right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Trade, then create New Order. This opens the order ticket so you can set up exactly how you want to enter the futures trade. Well, now configure your trade settings. Choose your order type. Market will fill immediately at the current available price. Limit will place an order at your chosen price, or better. Stop will trigger a market order once the stop price is reached. Select the option that fits how you want to enter. Then set the quantity by typing the number of contracts you want to trade. After that, set your risk management. Enter a stop loss, which is the price where the position will close to limit losses, and a take profit, which is the price where the position will close to lock in gains. You can type exact prices or distances in ticks or points in the ticket. Setting these now helps protect you as soon as you enter the market. Review the summary so you're clear on direction, quantity, and risk levels before placing the order. Once that's done, they execute the trade. Click the Buy button if you want to go long or the Sell button if you want to go short. After it's placed, you'll see an order or position line appear directly on the chart. This line is interactive. You can click and drag it to adjust your limit or stop prices visually. If you set both stop loss and take profit, you'll see separate lines for each, and you can drag them to fine-tune your levels. The chart will update the prices and estimated profit and loss as you move the lines, so you can quickly set them exactly where you want. If you need to make a small correction, drag the line again and release to confirm the new price. At this point, you've connected through the trading panel, selected the correct futures contract using the symbol search, opened the order ticket, configured your order type, quantity, and risk levels, and executed the trade. Your position and protective orders are now live on the chart, and you can manage them directly by clicking and dragging. That completes the process for how to trade futures directly on TradingView. Your setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.